Hello everybody, it's me Robin from Urban Solutions. If you need any kind of website, you may contact with us. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a welcome bar on your WordPress website very easily. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel because your subscription is our inspiration and it will help us to grow our WordPress community more faster. So to add welcome bar, first go to your WordPress dashboard and then hover on plugins, then click on add new. And from here search sticky menu, then you will find this menu by Premiere. So install it, activate it, then you will get a new option in your WordPress dashboard called my sticky menu, and from here you will see welcome bar. So first check it. If you want to put the welcome bar in the top, then you have to select top, and here is the height. If you want to change the height, you have to upgrade in Pro, and then you can select background color also. Suppose you want a black welcome bar, and you will see here the preview, and the color text is white, and here is the bar text how you want. Suppose get 30% of your own first purchase today, and then select where it will be shown, desktop and mobile. We want in both. And button color, it can be this color, and button text is white. Then you can change the button text, so change it, purchase now, and you will be able to add effect. Suppose we want to add swing this effect, and button submission, when someone will click in this button, how it will act. So close bar, if you select close bar, it the bar will be closed. And then if you want to redirect any URL, then you can do this also. Suppose google.com, when someone will click on here purchase now, then it will redirect to google.com, and then you can save, and after that reload the website, and yes, you will see the welcome bar in the top of your website. So this is really cool and easy to add. So I hope this tutorial will help you, and please make sure you have subscribed our channel and teach to it Urban Solutions.